Whether you are born poor or you are born rich, we all live to fight for money. Which is true. A poor man child is fighting to get money. A rich man child is fighting to defend the money given to him, not to lose it. We're all both fighting for money. The way Nigeria is structured, the Igbos look as if they are the one who are born poor. Yes, every other part of Nigeria get whatever they want easily. Maybe by a quarter or by the way the people in power sentimentally favor them. Igbos have to struggle for it. But that is why we are Igbos. Because we got whatever we want by our own merit, by our own powers. So why are we giving excuse? I made a video. Akuruno. Go back home and invest. 90% of people on my comment section giving excuse. No support. How long will you continue to make excuse for no support? How long? How long? Are you telling me that all you know about investment is about going to China and buy electronics? That's what we call investment. So if there's no support to clear goods from China, you are not investing. Is that what you call investment? How myopic can you people be? It's a shame. Whenever I tell an Igbo man invest, he say there's no support, there's no support. There are 3,000 estates in Abuja here. Is there any support in Abuja here? Let us even go for estate development alone as infrastructural development that can come to a community. These 3,000 estates, I can tell you more than 1,000 of them, directly or indirectly, are owned by Igbo people. More than 1,000 because some of them can partner with some people. Tell me, what are they waiting for support to invest here? How many estates are in entire southeast states? How many? But more than 1,000 here can be owned by Igbo men. Even if not that one, it will bring housing, bring infrastructural development. If not to give tithe in the church to build the biggest category, do launching, you people will know. Can any of you invest and donate money to build the biggest hospital that can bring professionals and research, make people to come down for health issues? What is wrong with us? And we claim we are the smartest people. We are not. Excuses are for the coward and lazy. Keep giving excuse. No support, no support. To build a hospital, it doesn't need a support. To invest in media. There's no better TV or radio station that can compete with channels. We used to have Avop Oil in Enugu State. What happened if you invest to become the biggest groundnut oil company in Nigeria? Or make a cashew juice company? Is it government that will stop you from investing in those ones? Come on! Excuses are for the cowards and lazy. Are you people coward or lazy? Government stop you though. Have you ever fight for it and the government stops? Has anybody made any move for it and government stopped them? If not that Lesotho win, would have thought that every state governor are being useless by the federal character. Now we know it's because some of you are the ones supporting the bad people to win the election. That is the truth. If a good man come now because it doesn't happen, the same kind of mindset that making you give excuse will be telling them, say, he cannot rule the state, does not have money. Peter B has shown the example that you don't need money to run a good election. And you can put pressure on the people that want to run the election and win the election. And that's what is proving it. You put now election will reach, you will not vote the right person that can fall for you to have the support. No. You are looking for a bag of rice. Come on. Why are you Igbo? Not be to the shout Ishagu. Now that you need to act as a lion, you are nowhere to be found. I'm out of here, Joe.